Hi everyone, this is CMA Pradeep Dhyani. So guys, there is a news for CMA inter student regarding regarding their training. So guys, Institute has recently launched the skill training for CMA students, and when you go through everything, each and every concept, then I am assuring that you will feel that Institute is doing some great work for all CMA students. Institute is building such kind of talent so that they will easily get the job on job perspective as well as knowledgeable perspective. Institute is doing great work in detail. I will tell all and every aspect so that you can also get benefited. So guys, this is the institute site. Institute has released skill training, world class employment and technical skill training facility for CMA intermediate students. So guys, from this you can also get the information. Let's discuss one by one. So guys, what is skill training? So guys, in this institute main purpose is, in the skill training institute main purpose is knowledge, and he want to increase the knowledge and abilities of the CMA student so that he can easily get the job and easily crack the interview. So guys, bold step taken by the institute, which is, I am assuring that every CMA intermediate student who should go through this articleship, this training, will get benefited a lot. Why the institute has introduced new skill training scheme, new skills training scheme? Why institute has introduced new skills training scheme? Reason is that guys, so that a lot of in this training schemes, institute has built such kind of course. So after doing this, you will get a lot of information. When you go through the course detail, you will get a lot of information, but I want to tell you that this is a mandatory. Each and every student who has taken the admission on 11 August 2020, on or after 11 August 2020, should need to go this kind of articleship. This is a mandatory. I will also tell the all the details, guys. Let's discuss. You got the first answer, second answer, why the institute has launched? Let's discuss now. Okay, the important point for CMA student is that what are the component of skill training? Yani means the curriculum content. What is the content? So you need to spend 16 hours, 14 hours, 20 hours and 20 hours, 16 and 14. You have to go through 140 hours in this content. In 16 hours you will get SAP finance power user training and certification with SAP learning. Itna. Guys, you will learn the SAP knowledge. This is the bold step taken by the institute, and we need to appreciate our institute. So you will get 16 hours SAP training, Microsoft training certification. You will also get, after completing this course, you will also get the certificate. 16 hours for SAP training, 14 hours for Microsoft training, and Cambridge University professor, one of their trainers, will train you regarding the soft skill training and participation. 20 hours e-filing training and certification. A lot of e-filing like PAN card, income tax return, lot of e-filing return you will get from this course. So 140 hours total course curriculum. What are the benefit of skill training module? What will you learn after doing this kind of soft skill training? So guys, let's discuss one by one. SAP Finance Power User Training Certificate. SAP Finance Power User Training and Certificate with SAP Learning. You will get the information and knowledge about SAP. And guys, I want to tell you that in corporate world, every organization want to give the opportunity to those candidates who has knowledge of SAP. So this is the bold step taken by the institute, and good steps. Microsoft training certification. They will provide the Microsoft MS Word knowledge also. Cambridge University Press Soft knowledge of training on the practical tools, better prepared. E-filing returns. You will also get the information of various kind of e-filing returns. Microsoft training. You will get the knowledge of Microsoft e-filing returns. Cambridge Press soft skill training, employment skills, e-filing trainings. Who are eligible for skill training, guys? Who are eligible for those students who have taken admission 11 August on or after 11 August 2020? mandatory training for 140 hours. What will be the modalities of skill training? I will tell you the schedules. I will tell you the schedules of these dates. Next point. What will be the system requirement? Simply your mobile phone, desktop, tablet, laptop, you can use it. Is attendance mandatory in a skill training session? Yes, guys, 100% attendance is mandatory. But 1-2 days, if you have urgent work, then you can tell the institute. No need to worry about 1 or 2 days. But yes, attendance is compulsory, guys. Is attendance mandatory in a skill training session? Next question. Yes, but if you are urgent, you have urgent work. If you are still if you are unwell, you are not healthy, then you can take attendance leave. But attendance is on otherwise mandatory. How long student will get opportunity to attend live online classes? Yes, live online classes that I will tell the schedules and timetable. 5 to 9. I will later videos. I will tell the all the schedules. How the student will assess after the completion of the training? Yes, you will get your result. You will get your result, guys. And if you are unfortunately, if you, easily everyone can clear the exam. But suppose any student not able to clear his exam, institute will allow further exam. How the assessment test will be conducted for skill training? Yes, MCQ based. The exam will conducted through MCQ based. 100 question MCQ. 2 hours you will get and 100 mark. SAP 50 questions and Microsoft 30 questions and eFilling 20 questions. And you need to take at least 50%. Clearing this exam, you need to, and guys, this is a mandatory exam. If you not clear this exam, you will not be able to give the exam. So guys, and you need to take at least 50% mark. 100 yani 50 marks you need to attain for clearing this exam. Suppose you not clear, institute will give another chance. What is the minimum pass percentage? So minimum pass percentage is 50%. It means in 2 hours you need to 100 marks will be the question paper, and you need to get 50 marks at least for clearing this online test. Now 14, how many attempts student will get to clear it now? At least 3 attempts. Students will get at least 3 attempts. Array, guys, you will clear in first attempt. Do not worry. This is not that much lengthy. Whatever they have taught in online classes, you should understand clearly. Student get certificate after completion of the training? Yes, guys, this is good for you. When you go to any interview, you can also mention in your resume that you have done the 140 hours training from the institute. This is a good sign for you guys. You have knowledge of SAP training, MS Office, and e-filling knowledge. This is the good step taken by the institute. Will student get certificate after completion of the training? Yes, you will get the certificate. How long student can have access in skill training model? At least 10 months it will take. So guys, these are the questions. Still, yes. Is there any additional cost involved in having access to skill training with now? Guys, there is no such kind of additional cost. If you have paid the fees of intermediate, this will include this course fees, skill training fees also. Shall a student be eligible to get skill training materials? Yes, you will also get the material. Is skill training conducted with employment opportunity? Yes, guys, you will get a lot of opportunities. Guys, if you are going to conduct an interview, you will also mention in your resume that 140 hours you have spent such kind of skills. You will get this kind of knowledge from the skills. Is skills training connected with employment opportunities? Yes, this is the main purpose of institute. How can we reach the institute to resolve an issue? If you have any query, if you have any resolve, then you can simply mail to institute. Skill training @icmi.in. So guys, this is all about. Now I would like to tell you everything about the schedules. So guys, we are coming to here. So guys, when we enter into this site, you will get skill training schedule. These are the schedules. 16 hours SAP Finance Power and 14 hour Microsoft Office. So guys, 16 hours SAP Finance Power user skills. You will get the schedules. Will start. So guys, you are saying one itna means this is 15 days 15 days training, and timing will be 5 p.m. in the evening to 9 p.m. in the 5 to 9 p.m. So guys, 4 days 4 hour in a day, and 15 days training. It will 15 into 4 yani 16 hours you will complete for SAP Finance. And for other training, for 14 hours, same 10 days it will take, 10 days and 4 hours per day. So guys, it will start from 25 January. So guys, if you have even that, skill training at the rate icmi.in is the mail ID. This is the mail ID, skill training at the rate icmi.in. You can ask any query if you have, and you can ask from me if you have any doubt. If you can comment me, I will surely reply you. This is all about. And apart from this, you can also see this thing. When you come to the institute site, you will click here and you will get each and everything, guys. So guys, these are the everything SAP training, all the content available here. SAP Learning Hub, Microsoft Training, Cambridge University, Pressoft, e-filling training, FAQ. I have gone through each and every questions of FAQ, which is helpful for you guys. Skill training content, skill training curriculum, and skill training schedule. This is the schedules, online live classes. You can also take these classes through your tablet, laptop, desktop, or your mobile even though. So guys, this is all about the important step taken by the institute. But I want to convey you that the students, yes, the institute will not provide to old students, but I request to institute, our mother institute, that they shall also give old students, those students who have taken before admission before 11th August 2020, guys. So guys, this is the training mandatory for those students who have taken the taken the admission 11th August 2020 or after that 11 August 2020, guys. And a conclusion of this video, that the institute will conduct an exam after completing your syllabus, and 100 mark 2 hours, 50 marks SAP, 30 mark Microsoft, and 20 mark e-filling, guys. And for passing percentage, yes, you will be eligible to give exam, final exam, if you clear this exam. So guys, 50% is the passing percentage, which I am assuring that you will easily clear easily clear your this exam. So no need to worry and no need to take a burden of such kind of exam. But you need to grab the opportunity, guys. The institute is providing a good opportunity, and you should grab the opportunity. It is my humble request to you guys. And attendance, yes, attendance is compulsory, but 100%, if you are unwell in any day, you can easily contact and tell the institute. No need to worry about this thing, guys. I'm assuring you guys. So guys, this is all about the skill training introduced by CMA, our mother institute for CMA inter student who have taken the admission on 11th of August 2020 or after that. So guys, this is all about the SAP training introduced by skill training introduced by the institute. So guys, if still you have any questions, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. And thank you so much to our institute that he is conducting this kind of skills, so that after clearing the CMA, CMA student have a good knowledge of SAP, a good knowledge of Microsoft Education, the skills knowledge the institute providing by Cambridge University Press, and such kind of e-filling returns knowledge student will get. So guys, this is all about in this video, and best of luck, guys, for this kind of training, which is which is easy, which is starting in upcoming time. So guys, that's all about in this video. Thank you so much, guys, and stay healthy and stay safe, guys. Bye, guys.